Stuck on the Apple ID verification screen? Or maybe your iPhone says iPhone isn't available after too many wrong passcode attempts? Did you buy a used device and now you can't reset iPhone because it's still linked to someone else? Well, don't fret. In this video we'll show you how to factory reset iPhone without Apple ID password and also cover different ways to erase iPhone safely. For the first option, we'll use iTunes on Windows or Finder on Mac. You connect your device to a computer, put it into recovery mode, and try to restore it. At first, it looks like a normal way to factory reset your iPhone, but here is an issue. If Find My iPhone feature is enabled, which is usually the case, iTunes or Finder will ask for the Apple ID password, and without it, you simply can't continue. So if you are trying to figure out how to hard reset iPhone without iCloud password, this method won't help you in most situations. Some videos on the social nets claim you can reset iPhone without Apple ID credentials using DNS methods or free software, but in reality, most of these solutions are outdated, not compatible with newer iOS versions, such as iOS 26, or simply unreliable. Some tools may even put your device at risk or cause system issues. And even if they appear to work, they usually don't fully erase iPhone, they only give limited access to it. Well, this is not something you can depend on. That is why now we are talking about a more structured approach using a utility like AnyUnlock. It's an all-in-one iOS application designed specifically to help users reset iPhone and remove Apple ID in certain lock-related situations. For example, you can use AnyUnlock if you've forgotten your login details or your device is stuck on verification and you need to erase iPhone and start it as a fresh one. What I personally like about it is that the interface is very clean and beginner-friendly. Everything is clearly structured, so even if you don't have any technical background at all, it's easy to follow step by step. At the same time, AnyUnlock still gives enough control for more experienced users. And now let us show you how it actually works. First, download and install AnyUnlock from our official website via the link in the description below. Then launch the utility. On the main interface, find and click on Unlock Apple ID option. Next, connect your iPhone to your computer using a USB or Type-C cable. Once your device is detected, click on Start Now button and follow the on-screen instructions. The software will automatically prepare the required system process and begin to erase iPhone and remove the Apple ID lock. This usually takes just a few minutes. After the process is done, your iPhone will restart and return to the setup screen automatically. From there, you can set it up again and use your own Apple ID. So let's quickly compare. iTunes or Finder requires the original Apple ID password. Free tools, unreliable and often outdated. AnyUnlock, guided process to reset iPhone without Apple ID password successfully. That's why this is usually the most practical option when you don't have access to the original credentials. Well, now you know several ways to reset iPhone, erase iPhone, and recover access even if your device is locked. If you're looking for a more straightforward method, especially when dealing with Apple ID issues, you can check out AnyUnlock. We'll leave the link in the description below. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any useful tips and tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, guys, and see you in the upcoming reviews. Peace.